Daddy Pig.
Peppa and her family are borrowing Grandpa for the day.
Remember, Daddy Pig, push the lever forward to go back.
And back. Simple.
And please look, I've just had it painted.
Oh, Grandpa Pig, what an old pot you are.
Are my crew ready?
I'd say.
Then let's go! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, the boat is moving backwards.
Ah! 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 Watch out for the bridge!
Oops! 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 Oops!
Oh! That was close.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Have a lovely...
I hope my boat comes back in one piece.
Worry.
Peppa,
What's a galley?
a galley is a boat's a galley little kitchen. Follow me.
Peppa and George are going inside the boat.
Wow!
What?
Where's the picnic?
The obvious place would be here.
That's a picnic.
Then it must be here.
Miss Winehouse.
And that's not a picnic.
This kitchen has everything in the wrong place.
Wow! A TV.
Daddy Pig cannot find Daddy Pig.
It's impossible.
If this was my kitchen, the picnic would be...
Stupid.
Oh, well done, Peppa.
Peppa has found
Delicious.
Oh, it's the ducks. Hello, Mrs. Duck. Would you like some bread?
Through them.
Are we stuck?
Yes.
Oh dear, Grandpa's boat is stuck in the reeds.
I'll just give it a little push.
Do be careful, Daddy Pig.
I go.
Daddy Pig has pushed the reeds out of the boat.
Hooray!
Quick, Daddy.
They've been gone for ages.
Look. There they are.
Hello. Ahoy there!
I'll just...
You caca, but you a boat. I'll show you.
Grandpa Pig is going to
Make a pretty cake.
The secret of mooring is to...
Mind the bridge!
What?
Look behind you!
Ah! 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 I didn't mean to do that.